Fatima, when would you go to a fast food restaurant?
So actually, I have a plan for next week with my university friends because uh, we um, we have more most time
Yeah,
we have planning
yeah,
for get along
yeah.
for get together in some place, and because of that we have planning to go to the restaurant next week.
Okay, and what's your next week plan about that restaurant? Can you tell in detail?
Okay, I have planning because my friends have planned to go abroad, and
Mhm.
yes, because of that we have a meeting, and we should get together. Yes.
Okay, okay. I was actually asking, trying to ask that in which restaurant you are going, like a jawab
Okay.
restaurant, yeah, and specific any type of
Okay.
restaurant. You should explain.
Yes, and a fast food restaurant that it have opening in recently days,
Mhm.
and it's a good chance to we can visit it because it's a popular restaurant in our city nowadays.
That's good. That's good.